This impressive 4-bedroom, 2-storey residence is located in the sought-after Woodland Waters estate, featuring 4 separate living areas, including formal lounge, rumpus room, kitchen, meals with adjoining family room, and huge upstairs lounge room with balcony access taking advantage of marvellous views. Main features include kitchen with granite bench tops, 900mm appliances and dishwasher, hardwood floors upstairs and downstairs, quality timber plantation shutters throughout, extensive alfresco and barbecue area all under cover, remote double garage and fully landscaped block. For more information, please contact Peter Lazov and Rob Stefanovski at Ray White Epping.